I got the fish jumping up like a jack. You can go ask around, yeah, they tapped in. Yeah, when 12 put me over, I had a little setback, but we relaxed and we back in. Come and get you a P or O, I ain't win nothing less if you do it.
Make sure you get this right here. I'm gonna show y'all what to do. Here comes the sandpaper, 1500, 2 800s, polishing compound, 2 attachments. Attach the sandpaper to that, and then when you finish, you do it with that. Just want to attach this to the impact with the 800 sandpaper on the surface. I like to use water. You put on the surface. Water, put a little water on it. Well, this one got edges close to it. I'll use the edges by hand and then hit the rest of it with the impact. I do this by hand with 800. Simply go this way. Now just do an X pattern with the 800. Then I'm gonna go to the 15. Some cases I don't got the sandpaper to get that out, but that's just old clear coat. But I'm gonna hit it with the 15. Then I'll get back with y'all. What I just said, that's after the 1500. You can see it's clearing up. But pretty much when you're sanding, all it's doing is just creating scratches and more scratches and clearing them up. But look like this one more dirt on the inside. So now I'm gonna hit it with, I think it's 3000 grit. Yeah, 3000. And then that's just after 3000. No polish, that's just wet. This little, you probably can't see it, but it's dirty, but it's on the inside of the lens. But now, just polish it, that'll be done. Next time I show y'all, will just be when I finish both of them. Alright, forgot to mention polishing compound. Shake this shit up. While I do, put a little bit, dabs on it. Just press against the light. Try to make a little mess. Isn't that? Just start out slow. Speed it up. Alright, y'all get the idea. I'm gonna finish it. Hit y'all back. Make sure when you're supposed to use a drill that you can control the speed with. If you ain't got that, use this. Take your time.